heard a lot of great things about the Cebu Eats, and we are eager to supply you the best meat here in Southern India.
Let's get straight to it. Kamalas, can you open our comments? So certainly we need a consistent supply of high quality of pork, beef, and chicken. So our restaurant serve approximately 5,000 customers daily. Availability is crucial for us, so we want to prioritize our local supplies.
Quality is paramount. Our customers expect the best. We need a steady supply of meat that can meet our requirements.
We snack merchants try to sell for quality due over years of overseas quality. We adhere to strict standards. Our meat is produced by local farmers to ensure freshness and quality. We can provide certifications for everyone.
Your reputation precedes you, but let's talk about ours. Your initial quote is a bit higher than our current supplier.
Our prices reflect the quality and consistency we offer. We also factor the rise of cost of livestock feeds and transportations.
We appreciate that, but we need to find a mutually beneficial price point. So we are looking for a long-term partnership.
Perhaps we can discuss the volume discounts. The more you order, the better the price we can offer.
Can we get a sample batch to test in our kitchens? We need to ensure it meets our culinary standards.
Absolutely. We can provide a sample selection of cuts for your chefs to evaluate.
What about delivery schedules? We need daily deliveries to all our branches.
We can accommodate that. We have a fleet of refrigerated trucks to ensure the freshness upon arrival.
Our standard contract include a clause for unforeseen circumstances. Southern Leyte is prone to typhoons, so we need essential to have a contingency plan.
That's a good point. We'll include the clause to adjust prices and market changes, but with a limit to protect us from extreme spikes.
We're open for discussing that. We aim for fair and transparent pricing.
Okay, I think we're close. If you can meet or revise price points, guarantee daily deliveries, and agree to price adjustment goals with reasonable cost, we have a deal.
We can agree to those terms. We value this potential partnership and are confident to meet your needs.
We'll draw up a revised contract reflecting these agreements.
Excellent! Welcome aboard, Wisdom Butter. We look forward to a successful partnership.
We do too, Miss April. Thank you for this opportunity.